perspective, and you watch the world around you appear to conform. It conforms to what you are. Do you see where your power is? Your power is the power to change your life. It is. I came across this girl last night on Instagram. She's like a little Bratz doll. You know how they have the exaggerated lips, but those are her real lips. She's she's a young little whippersnapper, but she's hilarious. But she was saying something, and sometimes, depending on how you approach things, sometimes the message can get lost because, you know. But then when she said what she said, I was like, whoa, wait a minute. I said, there's some depth to this young lady. And there was. Well, there is. And she started sharing with you some of the stuff she went through, you know, in her testimony. And I marvel at how we use the principles and don't even know. I marvel at it. As I'm listening to her speak, I'm watching how she's changing her life, using the principles the whole time, but she doesn't know. And that's one of the things that makes people, you know, lift an eyebrow to say, well, are there principles really? Because this just sounds like life to me. No, it's the principles, right? So when you take the time to apply the principles, remember what they are: mentalism, correspondence, vibration, polarity, rhythm, cause and effect, and gender. One of them is going to be your favorite. You're going to lean towards it naturally. Then use it, because you're going to use it for everything in your life. I need a job. Use the principles. I need a car. Use the principles. I need my knees to get better. Use principles. I need more money in the bank. Use the principles. You are already using them. You're already using them. It's just that you don't know that you are. So this is why when you recognize that you can be deliberate and that you can deliberately change your circumstances, you're gonna laugh, you know. For me, I bring about the maniacal laughter. I'm like, wait. I had the power in me this whole time to change my life. I have the power to change my life. Get out. This can't be for real. You lies you tell, right? That's what it feels like. But when you get a hold of the fact that the power has always been there, and here's the thing, the power has not been given to a select few. The power has not been given to a select few.